7, 6, 5, 4, stand by. 3. There you go.
She was. That lady was going to the beat of Sean
She
Paul
could
right
hear
there.
Sean Paul. I don't know if that was
How
possible.
was that happening?
It just worked.
The world hears Sean
Yep.
Paul.
Yeah.
Acai, acai bowls.
Yes.
Say that fast 3 times. Go.
Acai bowls. It's my
Okay.
love language.
They're surging in popularity, I'll tell you that, in recent years, and it's easy to see why. Vibrant, refreshing, packed with nutrients. It's Gurdeep's favorite food source. They're as fun to make as they are to eat. And joining us this morning with some tips for making the ultimate acai bowl is nutritionist, wellness educator, Jessie Lane Lee. There she is right there. Hi,
Jessie Lane, thank you for being here.
Thanks for coming.
There's so many reasons to love acai bowls. A good friend of mine once said, before you eat, you eat first with your eyes.
Yes.
It's how it looks. So these things are so visually stunning
Yes,
in
they're so
addition to
pretty.
being delicious.
It's true. We can like have so much fun with different colors and textures and flavors, and yeah, with our eyes, it starts that digestion process, which is really important.
So healthy.
Yes, these are going to be really healthy acai bowls because sometimes we get acai bowls at stores and they're really high in sugar. We were talking about it earlier, and it's basically dessert. Now these double as dessert, but we're going to make it really healthy so that we can have it for breakfast or like a refreshing snack on this heat wave. It's like the perfect solution.
It's nice, it's cold, it's refreshing,
Yeah.
it's great.
Is that why they're so popular? For those, all those?
I mean, if you haven't tried, they're just delicious.
They are delicious.
They're
So
really
And
good.
you feel like you're putting something good in your body if you're not doing it as a dessert. So we're gonna go through 3 types of acai bowls. What are we starting with?
Yes, okay, so I'm going to show you how to make them, but I've brought in some inspiration because you're going to be decorating yours afterwards. We have a tropical one, we have an antioxidant rich one, and then we did do a dessert one that's still healthy. So we're going to make a base together, and then you get to decide how you like the toppings.
Okay, and I'm spending way too much on acai bowls. They're like my biggest part of my
They're really
disposable. So if I can learn how to make them myself here, this is gonna save me some money.
It's really good. So we're starting with almond milk. I like to put the liquid at the bottom because everything's so frozen.
Okay, and you just put just a little bit, huh?
Well, the less liquid, the more of the ice creamy texture you get.
You got it. You want it kind of thick and viscous.
Now
Okay.
here's what they don't always do. I'm adding almond butter. We need to help with a source of healthy fat in our acai bowl. Oftentimes they're just fruit, which is delicious. We've got fiber there, but we're missing out on 2 things. We're missing out on healthy fat.
Okay.
So I've got 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And we're missing out on protein. So today I'm using my favorite protein powder. But you could use whatever vanilla protein powder you wanted.
Protein powder. Okay.
Because this makes it filling.
Filling it also gives it more of that viscosity. too.
Yes.
Viscosity. All I remember from grade 11 chemistry.
Viscosity.
Yeah.
Volume, viscosity.
We've got a banana in there, frozen mixed berries.
Lovely.
And then
You eat these once a day yourself?
Honestly, I eat about an acai bowl a day. Yeah, my Uber Eats.
yeah, you need to start making them at home. You're gonna save so much money. So much money.
Sure.
And this is the acai. So this is frozen acai puree infused.
Okay, now where do we get this? If you're gonna
So
make this?
I got this at the Sweet Potato in Toronto. A lot of health food stores have it.
Okay.
Regular grocery stores, not so much.
Okay.
You gotta make sure you get the good stuff, right? It's
Yes.
from Brazil, correct? Or Peru? Where's it from?
I don't know.
One of those two. It's expensive because it's important.
Yeah.
It's important.
Not from
That's
Canada,
right,
I can tell you that one.
Keep it frozen.
Yeah,
and then
keep it
put
frozen.
in the blender there.
Yeah. Exactly. And then we blend. Now the blender here, you do need a strong blender because
Okay.
we want it to be pretty like icy and delicious. And then we start kind of just tamping it in. And usually it would be more frozen, but I made things a little bit less frozen today so that we're not waiting forever.
Medium magic.
Medium magic. So here we go. And now I'm going to pour them into your bowls, and you can decide
Yeah.
how you want to dress them up. So I bought.
Ours may not look as artistic as yours, but we'll do our best.
That's okay. You know what? It doesn't matter.
So this is the base.
This is the base. Usually it's a little bit thicker, but I made it.
Great.
Jesse, when you say it's all about that base?
So
It's
that's
all
that
about,
base.
okay, good. I'm glad you got that. But it's true. This is the most important part, right?
It is. It's all about
true.
it. Shipping us in. So we've got a full variety here. The key to a really yummy one is texture. So we've got berries. We've got some. This is really cool. Yeah, it's toasted coconut. There's granola here. There's strawberries.
Is there an order of operations, or
No,
can we
you just go.
Okay.
Start going.
Okay, awesome.
And you can
Definitely
choose-
some pineapples.
Yes, pineapples. Those are really great. Pineapples have bromelain in them. Really good for helping us digest our proteins. Yeah.
Don't put that stuff in the hot tub yet. Something else. Here, take some bromelain.
Wait.
Do you even live bromelain?
So you put hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are another source of really good choice there.
I'm sorry, what was this one?
Oh, this is a really nice granola. It's a Toronto company, and there's no grain. It's a grain-free granola. Really low
Oh,
sugar.
no, no,
sweet
I'll
with
take some.
banana.
Gotta hit some.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you got
I like all the toppings. It's just, I can't say no.
We have a
I
nice
know.
crunch in here.
And fun for kids too, right? Because kids love this kind of thing. They can choose their toppings. So if you're looking for a snack to like cool them down, yeah.
Well, what do we have here, Jesse?
Oh, I love those. Those are cheesy. These are a source of fiber.
My wife
Yeah.
loves these. Just
Yes.
sprinkle them on top, just like that.
Yes, just sprinkle them right on there. They'll add a bit of crunch as well. And these bowls are
These
looking
look good.
gorgeous.
These
Yeah,
look
these
good.
are Pinterest-worthy bowls. They're
Look
just
at this.
beautiful.
Watching more information on how to do this at home, where can they?
Yes,
Oh
if
my
you go to my
goodness.
website, jessielanewellness.com, you can get this recipe. You can also get a free snacking cookbook if you go to jessielanewellness.com/snack. So you can fuel your summer holidays instead of feeling heavy, tired, you can get nice and sweet.
You dig in.
May I?
All I gotta do is throw it to break.
Okay, I'm gonna
You
do that.
eat while I talk. That smells so good. Coming up next, we're talking summer safety and how to deal with heat-related illness. It's all happening here on BT. Come on back and join us.
This is my happy place.
This is how you deal with heat-related illness.
It's the sixth level. I'll say this.
I know, but you faked it perfectly.
And then look, it's not like this. Are we up to get? Are we up to
Me
get?
in there.
2.5 back. We're starting at the Nook. We're making our way to the demo.
In the middle.
Okay.
So